Unknown name adds up to 450. Young Sing J trending with Imperfection.
Feel to go way up on a mountain. So I show my pain in a fountain.
His stage name and number adding up to his birthday, but also about being different.
So the 4 represents April, the 5th for the 5th of April, and the 0 representing the 2000. So something where, even when it's there, upon a list of other names, my name have to stand out because you're like, it's numbers, like what is that doing there?
We get my far from perfect. Hurt people close to me when I deserve it. And that make me feel me so worthless.
In high school, that's the only thing I saw myself doing. It reached the stage where I had a job and I realized that the job that I was doing was taking up a lot of my time and I wasn't recording any songs. I even quit my job just for the music full time. I know say it was rough and it was rough, definitely. But that's my circle helped me to maintain.
Yeah, my man enough mistake now well. Just last week, I touched my best friend girl.
Talking about my flaws, basically. Having regrets about decisions I've made. That is something that I don't see anybody doing in the dancehall fraternity. The feedback I'm getting is that it is very relatable. Even lines I'm saying, I have a girl who would do anything for me. I'ma still find myself out a road that cheat.
With a girl where if me sick, wouldn't make my tea. Now I swear my me.
And that a fact, so you see me. I have a whole heap of male friends, so I things I see my experience and things that me even go through and do. Even the line where people are running with them, I say I'm touching best friend girl. That are things will happen.
Feel to go way up on a mountain. Wash out my pain in a fountain. With all of my flaws, me still potent. This are the salt part of the process.
Javi linked me. I voiced it, I think that was the previous day. And I say post a snippet on your IG page. Flick out my phone and pick out the part of my want and I say WhatsApp. And my contacts just start blow up. Everybody else say send. I screenshot it and I say Javi, Javi, I hate you know. I'm sorry, at IG, I'm just fling it up on IG.
But dog, Javi produced the one here, Ambassador.
I was doing my bachelor's in music education and as a piano major, so I had the talent for be a musician. So years after that, I kind of just transitioned into being a music producer. I just use the same kind of talent for just make beats. So we mix master. That's my younger brother. He mixed
Your younger
master.
brother did all of that?
Yeah. But me come here a hit song and that is incredible. For I know say I have a team we can manage without me.
We them on fire from perfect.
So my advice is for just develop a structure and just find stuff that are potent, you know, regardless of what it might be. Only the potent stuff will transition into that longevity effect. So I can't tell you don't do this or don't do that, but what I can tell you is just be potent.
450, Mr. Whitby, the producer Imperfection, you see me and say. That definitely feel good for me as that I'm a team for see where we are forward from whenever I have nothing and we've been put in the work, see my FC set up here.
Damn, Mr. The inside, it just no visual.
My plan to mix it up is not going to be a one-way thing, but this was just one of those songs.
Life full of lessons, I'm still a learn them.
I don't want to be perceived as fake. I'm not fake, so I'm just being me. I'm one of the people them say, this artist is who he says he is and love me for me. I don't want to have a persona. I try to portray a persona that I'm not. I'm a very melodic artist and that's what grabs people. We know when it's for Japan, we have something in mind. You see me, which a journey. A song we preview even before Imperfection and we get a big reaction off of the people too. So that's the next pre right now.
Damn, me there on a journey. Give my heart to some people when I'm worthy. Give my heart to a girl when I deserve it.
It impact my life definitely because and I like I can jump on a taxi and go off a tree like one time though or make certain moves without a circle around me.
Why you need the circle around you to go from here to halfway tree in a taxi?
When you're a star, when you know that those star owners you can't run by yourself. Anything can happen though.
I guess it could have worse, right? At least my no friend killer bad mind.
I have a team that will move with me, make sure I'm governed at all times.
Govern, what you mean by govern? Explain govern.
I'm safe. You see me? I'm safe.
How much is safety a factor for you?
My family, I have to provide for them. You see me? I have them breadwinners, so them have to make sure them bread with them. Safe at all times, so them see it though. So yeah, them make sure say I'm safe at all times, no matter where me I go.
You enjoy the attention?
I have a problem with it. You get me? I know I sign up for, and it's a part of it, so I have a problem with it.
Is there a downside to it that you've encountered thus far, or it's been, it's been okay pretty much?
It's been all good. I can't complain about nothing, honestly. I enjoy it so far.
Feel fi go way up on a mountain. Wash up my pain in a fountain. With all of my flaws, me still potent. This are the salt part of the process.